Welcome students, class 10. All are ready? Very good. Previous video we discussed about trigonometric ratio of specific angles. Yes or no? You remember the table? Yes. To remember whole table, which value is required to know to all of us? Yes. Only sin theta. Yes or no? If you know sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, you can write all values of all remaining trigonometric ratios. Right? Did you try this? Yes or no? If you have tried to write table yourself without saying, you will answer the examples we are going to solve today on the basis of trigonometric ratios. Okay? So today we are taking some examples, very simple. You will like it. Now basic addition, subtraction, LCM, we will come to know. Now where are we? We are in class 10, right? Yes. Now see, I am taking some examples. Example 1, sin 60. Find the value of sin 60 multiplied by cos 30 plus cos 60 multiplied by sin 30. See, first one, sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. You are asked to find value of this one. Now put value of sin 30, cos 60, sin 60 and cos 30 in this one. You are knowing all the values. What is sin 60? Yes, very good. Root 3 upon 2. Cos 30, very good. Root 3 upon 2. Because you know sin 60 equal to cos 30. You have to remember this. Plus cos 60, 1 upon 2. Sin 30, 1 upon 2. Yes or no? See? Multiply root 3 multiplied by root 3 upon 2 2's 4. Be careful. In great hurry, students are doing mistake in multiplication also. Okay. Plus 1 1 is 1 upon 4. LCM equal. You got it. 3 plus 1 4 upon 4 equal to 1. Right? Very simple. See, those who are remembering the table, they don't have problem for this, and board is asking one example of 2 marks for this, assured. Okay, now see, we take example 2. Look, example number 2. See, find value of or solve sin 30 plus tan 45 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Right? See, I hope that you remember the table. See students, if you are not remembering table, then for each value you will turn the table and you will try to see. That is of no use. First you will simply just sit alone. You will speak the table orally. Right? You will have to do this. Okay? Otherwise I will make you to do this by personal meeting, telephonically. Right? Very good. Now see, sin 30, you know. Be careful, right? Sin 30, 1 upon 2. Plus tan 45, 1. I am writing 1 upon 1. See here, numerator denominator, so write in same pattern. So it becomes easy to find LCM. Minus cosec 60. Cosec is reciprocal of sin. If you know sin 60, very good. If you know cosec 60 direct, very good. Yes or no? That is 2 upon root 3. Now see, look here. I have put these values first plus this value minus this value. Look at the table properly. Look at the board. What I did. Students are drawing this line first. I am getting confused. I did not draw this line. No. First I have put the value with complete precaution. This is our learning. Now I will draw this line so that I get space to write. Right? And after drawing this line, I am writing equal to sign equal to sign against this line. Neatness is required. Okay. Now sec 30. Sec 30. Sec is reciprocal of. Yes, pick yourself. Very good. Some are responding. Sec is reciprocal of cos. And cos 30, you know, root 3 upon 2. So 2 upon root 3. See student, unless we speak ourselves, unless we are involving willingly, please, I am very sorry, each simple example becomes difficult to you. Right? So this is again 2 upon root 3. Plus, be precautious, cos 60. Yes, 1 upon 2. Right? Plus, cot 45. Reciprocal of tan. Tan is 1, so cot is also 1. 1 upon 1. See. This is beginning, so I am taking this very slowly. What is precaution? Writing values is not important. Precaution, systematic neatness is very important. When it's separately, then I will write so it appears neat. Okay. Now I am finding LCM of the denominator. Numerator and denominator separate. First I find numerator's LCM. See, what is this? 2, 1, root 3. So what is LCM of 2, 1 and root 3? 2 multiplied by root 3. Yes, I am writing LCM now. 2 multiplied by root 3. LCM is, here I have to multiply by root 3. Here by 2 root 3. And here by 2. You are knowing this? Very good. Root 3 multiplied by 1, root 3. Plus 1 multiplied by 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4. And 4 divided by 2 root 3. Okay. Now I am writing this denominator clearly so that we are not getting confused. Then I am drawing this line. See, very this is just required to concentrate ourselves. Then equal to sign. What it? Now see. Upon means division. You got again here root 3, 2, 1. What is LCM? 2 root 3. Same. So here you multiply by 2. 2 is 4. Plus here you multiply by root 3. Root 3 into 1, root 3. Plus here you multiply by 2 root 3. Then divide by 2 root 3. See students, look here. See this 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 cancel. Yes or no? Therefore, now next, after simplification of this one, you get to know that is equal to root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus minus 4 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now simplify this. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. It is like, see, root 3 means 1 root 3. Here nothing means 1 is there. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3. So getting 3 multiplied by root 3 minus 4 upon, see now, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3, again 1 root 3 plus root 3, 3 root 3, is plus 4. So this much, up to this you did simplification of sine, cos, their values. Now we have come to the example of the type rationalization. You remember chapter number 1, we learned rationalization of denominator. See, when denominator is not whole number, not positive integer, then we have to change it. Okay, so now rationalization has come. We will put these both in bracket. Rationalize the denominator. 3 root 3 minus 4 multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 4. Multiply numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor of denominator. What is denominator? 3 root 3 plus 4. So its rationalizing factor is 3 root 3 minus 4. Multiply both numerator and denominator. Now see, we are putting it. Now we are in class 10. See, 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. So it is like a minus b multiplied by a minus b. And a minus b multiplied by a minus b is a minus b bracket square. And you are knowing a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here use of identity is required. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? 3 root 3. A square is 3 root 3 bracket square. And 3 root 3 bracket square means 3 square multiplied by root 3 square. Okay, students, see these identities are very simple, provided we are writing properly and concentrating. Okay, so I am using identity now. 9 multiplied by 3, a square is 3 square, root 3 square 3, minus 2 times a 3 root 3, b 4 plus b square 4 square 16 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. So a plus b, a minus b, right? So a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. 3 root 3 square is 3, 9 multiplied by 3 minus 4 square 16. Are you getting? Yes, you have to concentrate. See children, look here now. After this simplification I am getting now 9 3 27 plus 16. Yes, how much? 9 3 27 plus 16. Add 27 plus 16. 6 7 is beta 30. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1. 4. Yes or no? 43. So you are getting it now. 43 minus 2 3 6 6 4 24 root 3. Be precautious. Properly see. Multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 6. 6 multiplied by 4 24 root 3. We cannot multiply this because this is irrational number root 3. We cannot multiply inside directly. Okay. We got 24 root 3 upon. Now see 27 minus 16. 27 minus 16. Students, you must do this. If you are not able to do addition subtraction directly, orally, please write down in the rough corner. My friends will do in 1 minute. I can take 2 minutes, no problem. But I will do correct. Have this thinking. Okay. See, now getting it. 11. Right? See. 9 3 27 plus 16 43 2 3 6 4 24 minus 24 root 3 27 minus 16 11. Now further see, there is nothing common. This answer finished. Okay. See, this example has taken time. Yes or no? Here we did 3 operations. Putting values, finding LCM, then using the rationalization, right? And then got answer. Remember it. So you got 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. Right? Now see student, we will take example number 3. Very simple. You realize unless concentration is there, we find difficulty and we may stop viewing the video or we may get bored. Now see example number 3. Four bracket sin square 60 plus cos square 45 minus 2 bracket sec square 60 plus cosec square 45. Okay, now put the values. Only putting values is the job. Then later on we will see what to do. Okay, put the values. 4 bracket sin square 60, you know sin 60 root 3 upon 2 bracket square plus cos 45. Yes, what is cos 45? Sin and cos 45 is same. Yes, 1 upon root 2, very good. 1 upon root 2 bracket square minus 2 bracket sec square 60. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So cos 60 is 1 upon 2. See, 1 upon 2 bracket square. Is it reciprocal of 1 upon 2? So 2 upon 1 is this. So this mistake students are doing. They are speaking correct but writing wrong. Please be careful. So 2 upon 1 square plus cosec square 45. Cosec is reciprocal of sin. Sin 45 1 upon root 2. Therefore cosec is root 2 upon 1. So root 2 upon 1 bracket square. Take some seconds more but get the correct answer. After putting values you can check please. Okay, sin 60 root 3 upon 2 square bracket square plus cos 45 1 upon root 2 square bracket square. Sec square. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 1 square. Plus cosec 45. Cosec is reciprocal of sin. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. So root 2 upon 1 bracket square. Right? Squaring now. See, putting the value first. Into a bracket. Squaring 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 2 bracket 4 upon 1 plus 2 upon 1. Right? Now see, we are getting it. 4. LCM is what? What is LCM of 4 and 2? 4. So see, you will multiply here by 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 ones 2, 2 plus 3, 5 upon 4 minus 2. X, what is LCM? 1. 4 plus 2, 6. Now you got it. See, here 4 cancel. 5 minus 2, 6, 12. That is minus 7. Got it? Yes sir. See students, in these examples, remembering these values, putting values, be precautious. Okay? LCM, very important. These chapters recalling our mathematics we learned in class 6th and 7th also. Finding LCM, multiplication, squaring, identities. Okay. Now see, example 4 like here. Cos 0, sin 45, sin 30 multiplied by bracket sin 90 minus cos 45 plus cos 60. So you all will put these values yourself. Okay. So fourth part is for your own practice. Right? Okay, students? Very good. Now see, I am coming to example 5. Very simple. Fourth part you are doing as a homework. Fourth part SW. What is that? Cos 0 plus sin 45 plus sin 30. Bracket complete. Multiplied by bracket sin 90 minus cos 45 plus cos 60. Bracket complete. Okay? But you will try yourself. Right? Again, I will give you 2-3 examples of this type. Now, fifth part. See. If A equal to 30, you are given A equal to 30 degree. So, show that A, B, 2 are there. So, I am taking second. Right? B part. Yes. Sin 2A equal to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. You are asked to show. This is show that. So you will take LHS and RHS separately. You will find. Okay. See now. LHS. What is LHS? Sin 2A. A is 30. So 2A is 60. Simply putting value. Very simple. Not very difficult. See, I am writing sin 2 multiplied by 30, that is equal to sin 60. Examples are not difficult. We are practicing. We will revise. Okay, beta. You got now sin 60. You know what is sin 60? Sin 60 equal to, so you got it now. LHS equal to sin 60 equal to, yes, very good. You are knowing it. Root 3 upon 2. We got. Now RHS. RHS. What is RHS? See, take 2 tan A. Tan A. What is that? 30 upon 1 plus, yes, tan square 30. Tan square 30. Simply putting values. I will go to table. Now see, 2. What is tan 30? Do you remember? Tan 30 is sin 30 upon cos 30. Yes or no? So, yes. Do you remember? Sin 31 upon 2. Cos 30 root 3 upon 2. 2 cancel. 1 upon root 3. Is it? Yes. If not known table, you have to put value. Remember it.